News now from Jammu and Kashmir, and separatist leader Shabir Ahmed Shah was today manhandled at a press conference in Jammu. Now, Shabir, who was released from jail yesterday, was heckled by BJP youth wing workers who also manhandled him while he was addressing the press conference the day after he was released unconditionally following 9 months in jail. There you can see those visuals. The police then had to step in. Well, Zafar Iqbal joins us now for more. Zafar, we're seeing these visuals, the BJP youth workers just storming into that press conference, manhandling Shabir Shah there, and the police finally had to intervene.
Well, that's right, Gargi. Once the press conference started, that very moment, the activists of the BJP youth came in, stormed into the press conference. They started shouting slogans and manhandled Shabir Shah. His workers tried to resist, but it continued for about 5 minutes. Then police swung into action. Four members, 4 activists have been arrested. But the Shabir Shah continued with this press conference. He was very clear. He said that these are the activists of BJP. He has already had several rounds of talks with the interlocutors who were appointed by the BJP during Vajpayee's tenure, and now another process has started. There are interlocutors again on the scene. So how come at this point the BJP is showing so much of a frustration? So clearly it's come at a moment. He was released from the prison only yesterday after his detention for 9 months. He was in the Court Barwal jail, and now he started off his movement from Jammu. He was here, he said, to give Diwali wishes to the people out here, and he was very clear. He said that any solution to the Kashmir issue must have to be taken into consideration the people of Jammu, the people of Ladakh, as well as the people of the valley.